Hey everyone, welcome to our friends on Facebook. Delighted to have you here today. My wife Grace and I are very proud to kind of relaunch our blog, and this is our really a newly launched blog, and we're featuring a number of things here. This is our homepage, and if you'd like to get a very good free course, we invite you to come here and take our free course. So you can click on that. It will tell you about really about our whole passion about um, attraction marketing and magnetic sponsoring and that whole journey, a journey that we began 4 years ago in 2016. That's really taken us into leadership and freedom in the industry. It's been really exciting for us. Also would invite you to take a look. Well, if you want to know more about Grace and I, we actually have now written up our whole background. You can really, don't know our backstory, you can really find out, all about that and our growth and our struggles and our traumas and trials. Laid it all out. It's pretty transparent. Actually, it's kind of interesting. I think a lot of people will enjoy reading that. But the other thing I wanted to draw to your attention, we've been blogging here and posting and doing videos on attraction marketing and how to build a successful business for years now, going on for 4 or 5 years actually for the blog. And we've got about 200 blogs here. So I mean, there's a treasure trove of value here. I've actually been going back through some of this and updating them a little bit because of the blog and the process that we had to go through. And it's been really exciting for me personally. But my purpose today is to focus here on this page. And if you click on the products page here, I really would encourage you to come and take some time, because right here are, what we really recommend for you if you want to really take your future, take control of your future, and really build things forward. Starting with the free 10-day attraction marketing bootcamp. And, this is just a great place to learn about the basics of attraction marketing. We've redesigned our own course. So we've taken Elite Marketing Pros materials and given that to you. So you'll get content from us as well as from Fernie Ceballos, my buddy, who will teach you through that course as well. I'd also invite you, though, in addition to getting the free bootcamp for just $27, you can actually get the book that he wrote. Now, what happened is Fernie learned from Mike Dillard, Magnetic Sponsoring. Mike Dillard wrote the book Magnetic Sponsoring, and you shouldn't be without that. Also, you can get that from me separately. If you get on our email list, you'll find out about this, or let me know personally. You should have this book. But Fernie wrote the attraction marketing formula, a blueprint to implement this step by step. So our boot camp, the free boot camp, is part of that. But the course for only $27 if you buy it within the first hour after opting in. So you can think about it, but buy it for $27. If not, it'll cost you $47. Either way, if you decide later, it'll cost you $20 more, but it's still such amazing good value. When you buy any of these courses now, and any of these things I'm going to tell you about, you also will get coaching calls with Elite Marketing Pros, professional ignition coaches. You also get access to our Facebook community, and start to really benefit from Elite Marketing Pros services in a lot of great ways. So check that out. Click on that. Here's a course I've taken it 3 times now, and I just took it again this week. And it's the 10-minute traffic machine, and this is a new way. This is just a great way. Several modules in here that will teach you. So it's like a condensed class within Elite Marketing Pro. It's a short, like a 30-day class, and how to create a perpetual traffic machine that will give you laser targeted visitors. And this will get you into paid traffic, really targeted traffic, with the highest quality leads. This is what we do to build our business as well. We use, of course, organic growth. We use free methods, but we also use paid methods. And that's really what everybody, top earners tend to do is do that. So this would be a great course for you. And please take a look at that. Now this course also is our social retail and enrollment blueprint. So how to get a surge of new customers. And you know, again, this is a really exciting course. It's actually going to be updated. So when you see this, you'll find a brand new addition to it, and some exciting bonuses there. And here's some of the secret sauce. Once you are really able to develop yourself as a marketer, and start to develop a brand, you can actually have an enrollment funnel. In other words, if you have a primary business, your network marketing business, or your affiliate program, or your coaching program, or your own product, or whatever it is, this is an enrollment funnel. So it's not like a regular funnel just to sell something. It's specifically designed to get people to enroll as customers or representatives. And so you can get that up and running in 20 minutes or less without technically overwhelmed. You can learn. They actually give you video scripts on how to quickly and easily do compelling videos that will help you to go through that process, even if you have no idea whatsoever what to say. That's really cool. A simple process of getting your prospects to ask to join your business rather than the other way around, and then a follow-up series. So this funnel is really amazing. But what I wanted to get to you guys, and I really wish more of you would take advantage of this, which is to become a member. And why would you become a member? Because if you become a member, then you can start to also offer what I'm offering to you, all these products and services and memberships, and you become an affiliate. Now, it's not a multi-level market company. It's not an MLM. It's just a one-level affiliate program. So you become an affiliate, and you would be able to earn commissions by offering these same things to your database, basically, to your prospects, to your leads, to your infrastructure, to your team. The best trained team wins, guys. And so if your team also gets plugged into this kind of training, which is where the leaders in the industry have been trained for 10 years and continually be trained, because it still remains the longest standing, highest level expert professional training system that we have in the industry. So you'll obviously get free, included in the package. It's $597 a year for the insider membership. Totally worth it. You get a boot camp. You'll get traffic reviews. You'll get coaching. You'll get a coach. You can see all the value here. You also get a website where you can create your own. So it's basically like a WordPress blog, but they put in there for you everything to get started with a blog like mine, actually. So like ours, you get the masterminds, you get weekly hot seat webinars, you have a begin to win webinar, you get advanced training once a month, you get 3 coaching sessions as well, you get a license to 8 lead capture and sales systems, you get the fast track guide, and you get an invitation to the insider affiliate program. Now that's priceless because you can earn money. So you can earn back this money and put yourself into profit by becoming an affiliate with Elite Marketing Pro. So I would really encourage you to do that. There is that, and there's a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if you take advantage of that, and from there you can upgrade also. And I would recommend that you upgrade. If you are a serious business builder, then I would recommend not just going in at the insider membership, although I recommend that for everybody, but upgrade to VIP. And there's other levels. Grace and I are at a higher level above VIP. That's called elevation. But VIP is extremely valuable, and will really give you the mentorship and the coaching that you need. But there's an enormous pack of value in this insider membership. And so I would strongly encourage you to do that, get that training, and you'll have all variety of great information and insights, and really be part of a community and get access. You get more access, of course, to Grace and myself as well, as part of our EMP team, because we also train you and give you our materials and our systems. So it's a great value for you. So I would strongly encourage you to take a look at that. And we would love to work with you on that basis. And so yeah, I just wanted to share that with you with our on our fan page and in our Facebook group today. Appreciate you guys, and wanted to share this with you. So let us know if you have any questions, but we'll stop the live stream here. I've given you the link to the products page here, so go ahead and log in that, and let us know how we can serve you. Okay? All right. Thanks. Bye-bye.